Hey YouTubers, welcome to Munising in the beautiful Upper Peninsula of Michigan. This area is a marshland just a little bit east of town. It's really very pretty. But I had to be careful because my friend's dog that was with us was giving some looks at jumping down into the marsh. Luckily she didn't. I think I would have been the one to try to get her out of there, and that would not have been easy. But I suggest you come up to Munising and check this area out as well. So a breakdown of this video. If you just want to see this thunderstorm, that's at 2:28, and if you're here for the cats, that's at 4:25. And now I'm going to stick some music in. This is right across the road from the free camping at Kewadin Casino. This has rustic camping and it's called Bay Furnace. It's a nice place to check out as well. And this is still beautiful Lake Superior, a great place to wander. And here comes Cousin Eddie's twin. This is the third place I've seen it in the UP. And the morning lightning.
I walked across the street at 7 o'clock in the morning. Feels early. I just saw some lightning walking towards the lake. I want to pause it so it's not bouncy, but I might miss lightning.
If you're trying to catch lightning with your cell phone, you have to be really patient. And I swear I did try to edit this a bit.
See?
Some dramatic pauses, to try to build up some suspense for you.
I don't know what the plan's gonna be for today. I thought I knew, but you never know. Weather changes plans. That was a good one, right? Alright, I'm gonna head back before I get rained on. It's coming though. Sunrise should be coming from over there, while the storm's coming from over there. Obviously that's east, and that's north.
This is what cats do. And I put this over the top of the bed to try to keep the cat hair off, but this guy has to try to get under there a lot. I try to catch them doing funny stuff, but they sleep a lot and don't perform on demand.
This is not for Kiki's. She's been following me eyeballing this thing. Not for Kiki's. It's banana bread. You can't have that. I'll give you some cat food here in a minute. Giggers. What are you doing? What are you doing? cleaning day. Got junk everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. There's a good keepers. You're an old lady, 13 years old. 14 in a few months. You're gonna live to be 100, Keek. You're gonna be like that mouse from the Green Mile, right? You're in very good shape for an old lady. Sometimes you just need a little help getting up to your coffee pot. This is what we've had all day. Waves crashing in. I need to do stuff. I need to take the bike off, put stuff away, but I mean, that wind is blowing. There'll be cats stuck to the front windshield, so hoping to wait it out.
That's just editing. She happened to be laying there. In an upcoming video, I'm going to do another ramble about traveling with cats or pets, which is really great, but it does change how you do things.
Vinny, you don't make it easy trying to make the bed in here. It's hard enough to make it inside with you jumping around. Gotta put the bed together.
So I stuck this on the end because it'd been a while since I put any cats in the videos, and I know the cat fans enjoy them. But I do want to apologize for them not doing anything close to entertaining. Maybe one of these days I'll catch them with the camera in my hand when they're doing something cool. I tell myself that they enjoy these trips. I know Vinny here does not like the driving portion of it all, but once we get stopped, they seem to be relatively happy. She didn't get her fountain on this trip, so she was slumming it, I guess. But overall, if you have pets, travel with them. I think they enjoy it. I don't know. But they help to have a great and wonderful day.